Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to HowitKlics. Today I'm diving into something we all use but rarely think about. Escalators, yep, those moving staircases that zip you up and down in malls, airports and subway stations. Ever wondered how they work? Well, you're in luck. Let's break it down. First off, an escalator is essentially a conveyor belt with steps. It all starts with a motor-driven chain. Imagine a bike chain, but way bigger and sturdier. This chain loops around two pairs of gears, one at the top and one at the bottom of the escalator. The motor, usually located at the top, drives these chains, making the steps move. Now let's talk about the steps. Each step is a metal piece attached to the chain. When the chain moves, so do the steps. But here's the genius part. As the steps move, they stay level. This is thanks to a clever mechanism involving two sets of wheels on each step. One set of wheels follows tracks that keep the steps flat, while the other set ensures the steps follow the loop of the chain. Ever noticed how the handrails move at the same speed as the steps? That's no coincidence. The handrails are driven by a separate system of gears and belts, perfectly synchronized with the motor that drives the steps. This ensures you don't lose your balance while holding onto the handrail. Safety is a big deal when it comes to escalators. There are sensors everywhere, from the steps to the handrails. If anything goes wrong, like something gets stuck or the motor overheats, these sensors trigger an automatic stop. You've probably seen those emergency stop buttons at the top and bottom of every escalator. They're there for a reason, folks. Now, let's talk maintenance. Keeping an escalator running smoothly requires regular checks and services. Technicians inspect the steps, chains, and handrails for wear and tear. They also check the sensors and safety mechanisms to ensure everything is functioning properly. Lubrication is key. Without it, the metal parts would wear out quickly, leading to costly repairs or even dangerous malfunctions. Service routines often include cleaning out debris that might have fallen into the machinery. Think about all the stuff that could get stuck: coins, keys, even food. All that gunk can jam the gears and chains, causing the escalator to stop unexpectedly. In essence, escalators are marvels of engineering that combine simple mechanical principles with complex safety systems. Next time you hop onto one, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of gears, chains, and wheels working seamlessly to get you where you need to go. So there you have it. The secret mechanics of escalators revealed. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay curious and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.